To connect printer into the Samsung A27 5G, you've got like two methods. The first one, open the settings, go for connections, select more connection settings, and now go for printing. Now as you can see, as default, you will only find the default print service. So right now you will have to just simply move for your printer and turn on the pairing mode, or if not available, just simply click here and wait until your device appears on the list. If not, you can also try a few other options. By clicking on the add printer, you can input printer IP address over here, or you can use the Wi-Fi direct printing. But if nothing is not working or some of the features are not supported by your printer, you can also try to download plugin from your printer. So by clicking on this icon, you will be redirected to the Google Play Store, where you can find some recommendations for plugins. But if you have other brand, you will have to input its name over here and simply just install it. Download, install, and right now you can just open. And right now you will have to just simply accept all of those things that will pop up on your screen, some permissions and notifications. You will have to accept all of this date and the privacy things. And in this case, you can just sign into your account, you can create it, continue as guest. Of course, if you have the different brand, then the application will look also a little bit different. But over here, you are able to simply add your printer. As you can see here, we can set up and connect a new printer. We can add an existing printer. So now you have to try it. And I cannot exactly show you how it looks because there's like multiple different, models of the printer, multiple brands, but this is just base steps that you can perform to try to connect.